welcome back to the channel. How's everybody doing? You drivers out there, how's everything going? Please be safe out there. This is JT, your rideshare automotive guru. Now, what I want to talk about, man, is first of all, if you're thinking about driving for Uber, I have a link at the bottom you can use to sign up. They have some real good sign-on bonuses going on right now. So if you've been contemplating driving for Uber, please use that link below and sign up now. Now, what I want to talk about is, most of you know, at least by now, I am a automotive mechanic technician by day, and, you know, by night and weekend, I do rideshare work. So I'm always in an automotive state of mind because this is what I do. Cars, you know, trucks, minivan, things like that. I work on automotive vehicles. Now, I also do rideshare work, as you can see. So what I want to talk about is 3 things you should have on you at all times. Now, rideshare, Uber and Lyft have rules now. I think the latest year model car you can drive, I've seen some places 07, you know, 08, 09. At any rate, the older cars. These are 3 things you should keep on you at all time, man. And number 1, because I want to get this video by real quick. Number 1 is a tire pressure gauge. You should always have a tire pressure gauge on you at all time. You never know when you might need to check your tire pressure. Now, the newer model cars probably have, you know, an electronic tire monitoring system, meaning you can see the tire pressures on the dash. Those are the sophisticated newer cars. For all you older model rideshare drivers, please always keep a tire pressure gauge on you at all times. Because the last thing you want to do is be ride sharing on underinflated tires. That would cost you fuel mileage, and you will essentially be wasting burning gas. You don't want that to happen during rideshare, because the last thing you want to do is eat up your profit. All right, so a tire gauge. Always keep a tire gauge on you. All right, number 2 is a flashlight. That's right, man. Something as simple as a flashlight is very important. It doesn't matter if you drive in the daytime or the evening. You will always find a need for a flashlight. So drivers, now this can go either way, driving a newer car or older car. You should always keep a flashlight in your glove box next to your tire pressure gauge. All right? Because like I say, there will always be times when you need something as simple as a flashlight. Now, I know some of you have the flashlight app on your phone, but you might want to preserve your battery or things like that, because you might have to go outside under the hood. And the best piece of equipment for viewing things under the hood will be a simple flashlight. Okay, now we're up to number 3, because I want to get by these real quick. And number 3 is pretty simple and kind of weird, but it's very necessary. And that is a rag. A shop rag, a towel, any kind of rag, even napkins will work for this. And what you will need this for is simply to check your oil. That's right, man. Check your oil level. You always should be checking your oil level. Every time you fill up, pop your hood, grab your oil dipstick, grab your rag, wipe it off, put your oil stick back in, and check the level of your oil. That is very important, extremely important. If you're driving an older model car, chances are you are burning oil. You may not even know you're burning oil, but you are burning oil. Older model cars tend to burn more oil than the newer cars because, you know, it was a design thing. You know, not on purpose or intention. It's just as you accumulate mileage, parts tend to wear out. Just say valve stem oil seals wear out. You will start burning oil. It may not be in the form of, you know, smoke going out the tailpipe. And you could essentially even have an oil leak and not know it. That's why I say it's very important to keep an eye on your oil level. You're going to automatically keep an eye on your fuel level. So Treat your oil level the same as your fuel level. Around every fill up, pull your dipstick out and check your oil level. All right, that's it. Top 3 things you should have on you at all times, especially if you're driving, if you're ride sharing an older model car. All right, I want to keep this video short. Thanks for watching, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all on the next video.